Compared to traditional hybrid powertrains, e-Power combines a very high-tech, very advanced petrol engine with batteries and a large electric motor to deliver a really unique electric driving experience. But the key uniqueness is that wheels are only ever driven by the electric motor. So this delivers a really smooth, responsive EV-like acceleration without the need to ever plug in the vehicle. The great thing is e-Power will feel like an EV to drive, so customers who choose to be more eco-conscious can do so without compromising on driving pleasure. We have the 1.5 litre 3-cylinder variable compression ratio turbocharged engine that generates electricity. That electricity moves to an inverter, and then the brain of the vehicle will decide where that electricity goes from there. So the inverter can send it as DC current to the battery, or it can send it as AC current to the drive motor to drive the wheels, or both at the same time. When you accelerate strongly, the engine will generate this electricity to the inverter, and that will go to the drive motor to drive the vehicle. It can even be topped up with more energy from the battery to give you full power, the full 140 kilowatts for really strong acceleration. Now, we have this large electric motor driving the wheels, and there's another benefit from having this large electric motor, and that's regeneration. As the vehicle's slowing down, we use the electric motor to regenerate some of our kinetic energy and turn it back into electrical energy to store in the battery. So when you lift off the accelerator or you push the brake pedal, the electric motor driving the wheels becomes a generator. The wheels turn the electric motor, that generates electricity, and that goes back to the battery. So we can use that energy again later to re-accelerate the vehicle. And this really brings strong efficiency to e-Power. So we adapted the technology of e-Power, the base components for Europe, but we've also changed the tuning. So we know from our experience in Europe that customers don't like a disconnected feel to the engine RPM versus the vehicle speeds. And if you evaluate traditional hybrid vehicles with a CVT-based powertrain, you really have a disconnection between the engine RPM and the vehicle acceleration and the vehicle speed. So we've adapted something new and unique for e-Power for Europe called Linear Tune. Now this manages the engine RPM to match better the vehicle speed. If you accelerate hard from a low vehicle speed, the engine won't race up to around 6,000 RPM that you may see on other vehicles. It will actually be suppressed to low down, and it will start around 1,500 RPM, and the engine revs will gradually increase as the vehicle speed increases, giving you a more connected feel to your acceleration. It's like all of Nissan's electric vehicles, e-Power will come equipped with e-pedal. So e-pedal is a regenerative braking system that offers a significant amount of deceleration when the driver lifts off the accelerator pedal. And this means you can drive around town and slow the vehicle down and accelerate the vehicle just using the accelerator pedal for a really relaxed and seamless driving operation. e-Power is a key technology within Nissan's electrification strategy. The strategy to have 100% of the lineup electrified by 2023. To support this ambition, e-Power is a key pillar in our electrification strategy. It's a unique technology offering 100% electric drive whilst recharging itself.